Hey, crypto traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to go over Shiba Inu. It's actually starting to kind of rise. How high can it go? I'm going to do some price work analysis for you, let you know if I think it's a buy or a sell, and also some news that's come into Shib in the last couple of days, so I'll go over all of that. But first, this video is being brought to you by Taunt Battelworld. If you actually go to Twitter and just search Taunt Battelworld or @PlayTaunt, you could join their Discord, which I highly recommend. Also, I would follow them on Twitter because they're going to be releasing a Genesis Skull Pass. You could go to their pinned tweet, read the Medium.com article that has it, and it's essentially a founder's NFT. So if you're into NFTs, you're looking to be able to potentially win a spot on the whitelist to get one of these NFTs, well, this is definitely your opportunity. I'm just bringing it to you guys, but essentially you'll get one fully minted first gen warrior. You also get other things, including drops with licensed IP that they have for Floyd Mayweather and others. You can also check out their website at playtaunt.io, kind of learn more about what they are and all that. So I will leave links down below in the description for all this. So just click on the links, make sure you guys join their Twitter, their Discord, and do your research on them. But it's a company that I am personally going to be investing in with them, with their NFTs and tokens when they release those. And remember, you could win a spot on their whitelist for one of these NFTs, but there's more information on their Twitter and Discord on how to do that. So make sure you check that out. But let's get right back into the video for Shib. Shib. Oh, look at this. I mean, I know friends that bought way up here and they've ridden this thing all the way down and they've been buying lower. I started to buy some probably around the 35 level, added when we got into the very low 20s, and all of a sudden we've had nice pop. Well, how high could Shib go? Well, let's kind of do some drawings, right? First thing is we were bearish, right, on one side, and now we're on the other side of this trend line, which is now bullish. We also took out these highs, which I think were really key highs, because this was a support level, right? Kind of once you lose that support level, you're kind of in trouble, right? Came down, bounce, failed, came back, resistant. And then this time we touch, fail, and then we blew through, and it looks like we're holding. So to me, this is actually very bullish. My targets to the upside on this, my very first target is probably going to be this high, which is around 42 on a Shib. And then ultimately, I think if we could get back up to this 54, we could really get some more buying, because a couple news events that have come through in the last few days is, first, it's trending on Twitter. I believe there's been over 30,000 mentions today alone. But Shib sees a whale who just bought 3.4 trillion Shib worth $115 million, okay? That is some crazy money to buy into a meme coin. Now, people don't buy in spending that much money just hoping and praying. They probably know somebody. You do want to follow whales, usually, because they know insider information, we'll call it. But so there's also been a few people buying on the way down. I've seen over the last few weeks some really big money moving into Shib. I like it. I believe the bearish side has rolled over. Now, it doesn't mean it can't roll back over to the downside, but I would just maybe draw a trend line like this and say, hey, if we do come back down to this 21, 22 level, I think that would be a good buying opportunity, because as we've been making lower highs and lower lows this whole way down, we are now starting to make higher highs and higher lows. So don't be surprised if we pull back 50% from here back into the 20s. I think that is a buying opportunity. Even the 25 level might be a good buying opportunity, but I think this thing has potential throughout this entire year to get back to these highs if they're able to execute on all the things that they're trying to do. Remember, they are planning on coming out with a play to earn. They just did a partnership in Europe with, I believe, Wellies, where you could pay for it. Even though it's small, does it start to become bigger and bigger where you can use your Shib as currency to purchase things? So those are the things that I'm watching for. I get it. It's a meme coin, but I see a trend with all these meme coins are starting to build real utility behind all these meme coins that could potentially take it into a real business that could actually make money and burn tokens, because remember, it is a deflationary token. So hopefully you guys will like this video. Let me know what tokens you guys are looking at. If you guys are long Shib, and what your price targets are in the description. And also, if you guys have any questions or want me to do other tokens, leave them down below in the description. But as always, thank you for watching. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.